You are indeed welcome to the Euromillion lottery system. This is the Million Jackpot channel. If you are new on the channel, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and like the videos on the channel. So this is the last results of the Euromillion lottery. So we have number 25, 27. Also, we have the number 35, 40, and 45 as the last winning numbers of the Euromillion lottery. So we are using this one to find out where the system selected these numbers from based on the results history that we are having here. So therefore, let's go to results number 419. Results number 419. 419. All right. Let me zoom it for you. So we have result 419. The number 27, 30, and 40. The current results 27, 35, and 40. 27, 35, 40 were selected here. So we are to pick 5, 15, 28, 31, and 44. So you will select the numbers 5, 15, 28, 31, and double four. All right, let's check the next, which is results number 561. 561. Results number 561. We have 25. We also have 40 and we have 45. All right, so 25, 40 is 40 and 45. So current results drop three numbers from there. Therefore, the number 9, 11, 14, 34, double four. You have to pick those numbers. So we have 9, 11, 14, 34, and double four. Let's go to the next results number 855. Results 855. All right, so results number 855. We have 25, 35, 45. So the system selected 25, 35, 45 from here. Therefore, 8, 17, 18, 27, 39. Let's pick those numbers. So 8, 17, 18, 27, and 39. We need to pick those numbers. Again, let's go to the next, which is results number 862. So results number 862. So 862, we have 25, 27, 40. All right, so the system selected 25, 27, and 40. Therefore, the numbers below it, 5, 20, 31, 32, 36. Let's pick those numbers. We have 5, 20, 31, 32, and 36. All right. The next results number 1025. Results number 1025. Let's go to results number 1025. Results number 1025. All right, that was Tuesday results. So we have 25, 27, 45. So system 25, 27, 45. Three numbers. Therefore, 189, 26, 49. Let's pick those numbers. So 189, 26, 49, 26, and 49. All right. Let's go to the next. The next is results number 1246. 1246. All right. So 1246, we have 25, 27, 45. 25, 27, 45. Three numbers. So 7, 11, 38, 39, 44. Let's pick those numbers. So you have 7, 11, 38, 39, and also the number 44. All right. Let's go to the next. Let me see. Okay, we've taken 6. It's left with one more. So let's go to the last one. Results number 1391. Results number 1391. All right. So we have 25, 27, and 35. All right. So the below numbers, we have it here. Okay, we have this one 25, 27, 35. So the below numbers 8, 16, 42, 44, 47. So 8, 16, 42, 44, 47. All right. Today is like 44 will be the banker for the Euromillion lottery. All right. Let me zoom back a little. All right. So this is the entire selection that we made based on the current or the last results of the Euromillion lottery system. Therefore, we need to find out the hot numbers for today Euromillion lottery. So let's see. The repeated numbers will be the hot numbers. And at the end, we'll bring all the entire set of numbers we found it here as the likely set of numbers. So today hot numbers, let me see our hot numbers, Euromillion hot numbers. So the hot numbers, hot numbers. So the hot pick numbers for today Euromillion lottery. All right, so let's go. We have 5 appearing, 5, 5, 5. 5 appears 3 times. So we have, let me know. We got the number 5. Okay. Single 5. Single 5. All right. That is our first hot number. The next, let's check for 15. 15 just appear 1. 28 appears 1. 31. 31, we have 31. We have 31. So 31 will be another hot number. For 44, it is the hottest number among the list, appearing 4 times. So 44. All right. Okay. So this one appeared 3 times, this 2 times, this 4 times. All right. Now let's see. The next is 11. Let me see. 11. 1 and 2. So 11 is another hot number. 14. 14 just 1. 34 just 1. 17 only 1. 18 only 1. 27 only 1. 39, you have 39. So 39 appears 2. 11 also 2 times. Let me check for another hot number. Okay. single 8. Let me see. We have 8, 8, 8. So 8 appears 3 times. So another hot number is 8 appearing 3 times. All right. Then let's see. 17, only one. 18, only one. 27, only one in the list. 21, 32, 1, 36, 1. Single 1, 1. 9, 1, 26, 1, 49, 1. Single 7, 1, 38, only 1. So that is the end of the hot numbers. So this is the hot numbers for today, Euro Million Lottery. All right. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 hot numbers. All right. So this among this, the best one, the very best is this, and the next one is this, and also this. These numbers, this three, 1, 2, 3 appears most among the list. So in all, these are the hot numbers, 6 hot numbers for today, Euro Million. Now let's see the numbers that did not appear within the list. All right. So the numbers that we did not mark them, 15, 28. So we have 15, we have 28, then we have 14, 34, 14, 34. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share our videos, and like our videos. We have 8, 17, 18. We have 27, 20, 32, 20, 32, 36. Then also 1, 9, single 1, and single 9. All right, we have 26, 49, 26, 49. We have 7, we have 38, 38. We have 1642, 1642, and the number 47. All right, so this is the numbers. Now we need to add the hot numbers to it. So we have 5, we have 31, we have 44, 11, 39, and the number, let me add single 8. All right. So the entire set of numbers for today, and today's date is uh, 4th, 4th of 4th of August, 4th August 2023 is what we are using this particular set of numbers. All right, so if you are watching this video late, it means that you have to follow the channel to get our new videos, so that every time that there is 0 million lottery that we are taking, you can also select the numbers that we have predicted and use it to make money in the Euromillions lottery. So these are the hot numbers for today, and these are the entire likely numbers. So the likely numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least we have taken half of the 15 numbers away. All right. So these are the numbers that are likely to provide. When I do this, sometimes, most often, it drops 3, 4. We are hoping that one day it will drop all the 5 numbers from here, so that those who were able to use it as a hot numbers, hot pick, you can make a lot of money. Especially the hot numbers side. We want a day that three hot numbers will drop from the hot line here. For today, it is very hot, especially the number 44, single 5, and single 8. This is what I have for you. I wish you good luck in Euromillions lottery. This is Million Jackpot channel. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.